Hi, this is Derek with Automatic Door and Hardware. Today we have a weatherproof wireless push button, and I'm going to show you what comes in the box, and I'm also going to show you how to assemble it. So in the box, you get your hardware. It comes with an Allen key. You get a back plate where you can mount this to the wall, and then this, which is the actual transmitter mechanism, which is hidden behind here. It's weatherproofed in there. And then the actual stainless steel plate. I will go ahead and show you real quick what this transmitter looks like inside. Okay, so here we have the box for the weatherproof push plate. Now, to show you guys what the transmitter looks like, I'm going to take out these 4 screws because we do sell replacement transmitter boards as well. Alright, so now this just comes straight off. Now there are these spring-loaded tabs, and these spring-loaded tabs are actually what hold the metal push plate on. So, but you do have to depress those so that we can get this off, and they'll kind of spring out a little bit. And then here is how it's weatherproof. This is a rubber gasket. These are the fingers that activate the actual push plate here. But open it up, and then you can see this is the transmitter board. You can see it takes a little A23 battery. I believe it's 12 volt. Yeah, it's a 12 volt little battery, labeled A23. They do come in the box. So that's what the transmitter looks like. Let me pull it out for you guys so you can see it a little bit better. This one is pretty obvious because it's got the 4 micro switches, 4 little switches here. Only transmitter I know of that has 4 of them on it. And then the back of it has no circuitry. So orientation wise, you see this says up here. So we're going to face that up. Just going to put this back on. And then again, you can either rock these in and depress them, or you can set it straight on. And then we're just going to screw it back together. Moving the foam for installing it. If you don't remove that foam, the plate will not be able to press the buttons, and you won't be able to program this. So just make sure you do that. Okay, so we're back together. Assembly on this unit is very easy. We're going to use the spring-loaded tabs and just kind of push the plate on. It's as simple as that. Okay, so you have 2 options for mounting this unit. You can mount it without the back plate and just screw it straight in, or you have the option of using the back plate to make it easier. The nice thing about using the back plate is you can actually remove it. It'll just slide on and then pop off the wall, so you can take it to your desk, remove the screws, and replace the battery there instead of having it stuck on the wall. Plate, simple installation. You can see that is the sort of bracket that holds it in. Here are the 2 spring-loaded catches, and we just push it on. I'm going to go ahead and pull this off because we're going to show you how to program this as well. So let's remove this first. Again, there's nothing under this. It's just so that when this ships, it can't press the button and wear out the battery prematurely. We're going to set this in here. This Allen wrench is a great tool to depress those spring-loaded little plastic pieces there. So that's what you'll see. There's a hole in the top and the bottom. So you just depress the spring, let it go on this side. Depress the spring, let it go, and there we go. It's all mounted. All right. So there is our weatherproof wireless push plate. In the next video, I will show you how to program it.